beer money. All right? That's the reason I'm doing this. It's the whole reason I'm doing this. Whoa, 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 whoa. If you want to see how I'm going to take these belts and turn them into a decent profit. Mail day, mail day, mail day, mail day. Today I got in the mail a package. The package was the most money I've ever spent on leather. Let's take a look. This is the size of the box I got from Weaver. Let's see what we got. First, the things that have nothing to do with this idea that I've had, and that is some Ritza thread. I got some more Ritza thread, this time black and brown. It's that Ritza tiger thread. I really liked it. I was working on a new project. The new project is something that I'm gonna have a PDF plan for as well, PDF template for people that are interested in it. So I'm gonna set these aside. What really got me into leathercraft was making belts, and I really found this great material that I use to make my belts. They're heavy duty belts. I've posted them on a few of my social media, some belts that I made recently. And I buy the buffalo blanks from Weaver Leathercraft. So that's what I have in here. I have a bunch of belt blanks. So I got like a bunch. I got some belt loops that they make because I like it. They're quick and easy and very inexpensive. They match exactly to the leather. And I got some buckles. Belts are where I started with in leathercraft. I learned how to make the belt probably as efficient as I can. The Weaver belt blanks are durable. What I like to do is make stuff for people that do Western wear. For bikers, I have a lot of biker friends. Actually, a lot of them came to my support, and I really appreciate that. If you want to see how I'm going to take these belts and turn them into a decent profit, let me know. I'm not going to make over the moon money with this. This is nice, what I call beer money. So beer money. Right? That's the reason I'm doing this. It's the whole reason I'm doing this. I don't even drink a lot of beer. I have like a couple beers, a couple beers a week. That's it. I always just called it beer money. I guess I should call it shop money. So we're doing this for shop money. I spend much more time in the shop than I do having a beer. I could show you that. And it does involve those belts, and it involves something that you can do. Doesn't cost you any extra bit of advertising. You're not going to have to set up shop somewhere. If you can perfect your belt process, you definitely want to check that out. The other thing I did was I made some trophies recently. I didn't weld them up or anything like that. I just used my laser engraver and my woodworking skills. I made some wooden trophies. If that's something you want to see, let me know. And the final thing that I did when I was doing all that was when I was making the trophies, I got to really use my new breathing and face protection. I went for years just doing the glasses, and that was it. I didn't use anything for my over my face. I do regret that. So this is a nice all-in-one solution, because I've worn a mask. I've worn everything from just a basic, like can't breathe in the insulation, those little white masks, everything on up to I wouldn't say a air pumped respirator, but a respirator with really decent cartridges with a nice snug fit, and it fogs up my glasses. And I've tried to put things on my inside of my glasses so they don't fog up. But what's going to happen is you're pushing something on the table saw and your glasses are fogging up. You can't see that blade. Do not like that. And this mask is something that I've really helped me out. It's not a perfect mask, but it does, let's say, 80% of what I want it to do, which is better than anything I've tried up to this point. Tell me what you guys want to see. You want to see my ideas for the belts that's going to make me some money? Would you rather see me do the trophies, the motorcycle trophies that I did with my laser engraver made out of wood? Or did you want to see me talk about the mask that I have? So I'll let you guys choose. Drop a note in the comments below. Tell me what you would like to see, and I'll see you guys next time on Big Stack. Whoa. We forgot something. Big Stacks grows, Big Stacks builds, and Big Stacks makes. Now, and I'll see you guys next time on Big Stacks Small Workshop.